one thing you have to know about Jamaican household come Easter, Good Friday. There's fish, there's Easter bun, with cheese, bun and cheese, hardo bread. I love a hardo bread. And there's plantain and fish. It's in the fridge. Oh God, it's gonna taste so good. I am on my way to a gospel concert at my church, Rhema Christian Ministries. Jonathan Nelson is in town. Micah Stampley is in town. Sonny Badu is in town. It's going to be an amazing concert, and Pastor Richard Brown. Looking forward to it because I always enjoy hearing him do praise and worship. I don't know if he's doing praise and worship, but I'm assuming he's going to do something. All he does anytime he sings is praise and worship anyways. So I'm looking forward to that, and Sharon Riley and Faith Corral. So it should be an awesome night. Going by my cousins because me and my cousin are going down together. We're at the concert. It's almost 7, or it should be 7 now. What time is it? 7? It's 7:05, so it's late. That's my cousin. We're here, gonna worship and enjoy ourselves. Worship and enjoy ourselves. But they're gonna be late. I bet you this concert starts at 8 o'clock. You think so? 8 o'clock.
I give back half of the money though.
Half the money?
I want back half of the money.
Yeah, man. We should get back half our money if it's gonna be late. Yeah. An hour? Wait. Well, happen. They are the bar. They are the bar. We left the movie. No. We have sheer foolishness are gone. We come to the bar.
Where is that?
One way though.
Let's see. We're not going to go down.
You already know a little review as you know what I tell you. You know that.
Oh, you make what? One left what I want to get it.
So this Saturday I am going through some stuff, cleaning up. I'm seeing my magazines and I'm like, okay, I'm going to be recycling. I'm going through these magazines and I'm a basketball fan, sports fan, and these are all my Slam magazines. Well, they're all over. See my lap? Just they are all over. You can see a young LeBron. My Iverson is still in the plastic. I have like multiple Iverson. I'm a big Iverson fan. Yeah. I mean, I'm looking at this. Gary Payton. Old stuff. Jason Kidd, who's now a coach. I mean, there was one I want to show you of not a fan of the dude, but I can't believe I have it. LeBron James, before he got in the NBA. And there's another one of him by himself. The song, all this thing is ragamuffin. Look at my head. My head look like a ragamuffin. I'm going to the store right now, Walmart. Oh, buddy. Come on, people. Ragamuffin. What are you trying to do?
Open this.
So.
Oh my gosh, seriously.
How do you think you open it? You've pressed everything.
Oh, that's not true.
Can't figure it out. You're smart. Why don't you read the labels?
What labels?
Read labels. Read.
Read what? There's nothing.
There's a button. I'll give you a hint. There's a button you have to press.
I understand that.
Okay, so what button? You will not be denied what? What did you say?
I will be denied my conquest of victory.
Your conquest of victory. Gabriel, the button, that's play. That's stop. Press stop again. Yeah, it opens slowly. That's how you do it.
Whatever.
Now you have to put the cassette in properly.
Yes, I know how to put the cassette in.
Okay. No, that's not how you put it in. That's not how you put it in. You're gonna break it.
Oh wait, hold on. No.
It's upside down. It's upside down.
Don't look at me right now.
Off pause. Now press play. Is it playing?
No, it's not receiving any power.
So you have to have it on tape, right? Right. There you go. Now is the volume up? This is the volume here. It's on tape. Okay, hold on. You hear anything?
It's not moving.
Maybe it don't work. It's old. It don't work. Maybe CD works.
This thing won't even receive power. It won't work.
Huh?
This thing doesn't even receive power. It won't.
Yeah, hold on. I'm sure. On radio. There should be a light that comes on. Unless this is not in properly. Well, you know. There we go. You know what it is? It's the cord. It's the short in the cord. There's a short in the cord.
What did you
So press play again. Put it back to tape. Press play. Oh, play is on. You hear that? Stop. Now, fast forward. I remember this. You have to bang it. Yep. It's almost time for bed. It's almost 11 o'clock. And I'm tired. I ate a lot. I can't even believe that I missed recording all that food. We had, all weekend I was eating fish. I was taking a whole fried fish. During Easter time, Good Friday, Jamaicans always eat fish, fried fish, and there wasn't enough in the house, and there's still some left over. I've had maybe 4, I think. Went to my cousin's, got some from there too, and I can show you a picture. See, there it is. And I don't eat the fish head. No, sir, I don't. Had curry goat, had turkey today, had rice and peas and potato salad and hardo bread, and I made cheesecake. Sure did. It tastes good. And what else did we have? My plate was full. Stir fry noodles. Something else. I had a whole bunch of stuff. I ate so much. And this time I didn't eat until I couldn't walk. Yeah, I was smart about it. So I'm going to go get ready for bed. I hope everybody had a blessed Resurrection weekend, Easter weekend, Good Friday weekend, all that stuff. I celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ this season. Other people, I also celebrate Passover. Passover is not over yet, actually. It's over on the 18th. And I also celebrate, some people celebrate Easter. So I hope everybody had a blessed Passover, a blessed Easter, and a blessed Resurrection Sunday. Thank you for your support, y'all.